If you're tired of replacing dog toys every week, this 3-pack of indestructible dog chew toys is worth a look. Made specifically for aggressive chewers, these bone-shaped toys stand up to the strongest jaws. Whether your dog is small, medium, or large, these durable toys satisfy their natural urge to chew without falling apart. What sets these chew toys apart is their perfect balance of toughness and lightness. They're heavy-duty enough to resist relentless chewing but still lightweight, so your dog can carry, fetch, and chew without getting tired. This makes them ideal for active play both indoors and outdoors, keeping your pup engaged for longer. Each toy is infused with a long-lasting beef scent that grabs your dog's attention and keeps boredom at bay. Instead of chewing on your furniture or shoes, your dog will focus on these flavorful toys. Their vibrant colors and paw-friendly design add mental stimulation and encourage physical activity, which is key to a happy, healthy dog. Beyond fun, these chew toys support dental health. Their textured surface works like a mechanical scrubber, cleaning teeth and freshening breath as your dog gnaws. This natural approach to dental care helps maintain healthy chewing habits without extra effort from you. Safety is a priority here. These toys are crafted from premium, non-toxic, pet-safe materials, so you can feel confident letting your dog play. The colorful 3-pack also makes a thoughtful gift for any dog owner, perfect for birthdays or holidays. Just remember to supervise play and check the toys regularly for wear. If you want a durable, engaging chew toy that lasts and supports your dog's health, this 3-pack is a smart choice. It combines strength, scent, and dental benefits in one affordable set. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your dog's playtime with something built to last.